On the occasion of World Humanitarian Day, which is celebrated every year on 19th of August across the globe, global star Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who is known for her impeccable acting skills and philanthropy, shared some heart-wrenching pictures from countries like Afghanistan, Yemen, Lebanon, and others, and urged the nations to come together and show their support to them. Taking to her Instagram handle, she dropped a series of pictures and textual posts wherein she shared the meaning of humanitarian and also explained how the smallest of efforts towards solving crisis may help the countries going through the crime against humanity. A part of her post read, "But it can no longer be only about them. Each and every one of us has to make an effort. Kindness and empathy for our fellow beings is the need of the hour. We need to reach out and support in whatever way we can. Looking at everything going on around the world right now, humanitarian aid is the need of the hour. It starts with just one, with intent and effort to change the world." The actress on the occasion of World Humanitarian Day also mentioned Afghanistan's crisis as she shared a snap of young kids holding their mothers' hands trying to escape from a particular location. Notably, a couple of days back, the Taliban managed to seize the capital city of Kabul in Afghanistan and re-christened the country as the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan weeks before the US was set to complete its troop withdrawal after a 2-decade-long war. Well, the actress used the hashtag World Humanitarian Day in the caption and accompanied it with a heart emoji. Meanwhile, on the work front, Priyanka is busy with multiple projects. She will be soon seen in Keanu Reeves' The Matrix 4, along with Text for You and a web show.